So what we're doing is we're doing our tennis elbow exercises in which we have spasming of our extensor wad here. They can affect both the tendons on this side as well as all the tendons that are going from the wrist and the fingers. So we're first going to do massaging, where you have a table. You're going to use your calf to be the driving force that's going to drive up. I'm going to put my arm on here, and I'm going to find the spot that hurts the most. I'm just going to go basically massage round and round. I'm not trying to massage the tendon, so I'm not trying to massage here. I'm not trying to massage down there. I'm trying to only stick to this muscle group here that is supposed to be soft but is currently hard if it's going through the spasm. And then the other thing, I find my trigger spot and then I move my wrist. So and then I find another trigger spot, I push in, I move my wrist round and round and round, and another. And so the massaging part should probably just take 2 minutes. And then we come over to the strengthening portion. And so with my wrist here, I'm gonna cock my wrist up, and I'm gonna do a tug of war with myself, letting my top hand win. It's about an 8 count down. I'm trying to strengthen and lengthen that muscle. It's called the eccentric strengthening. I cock it up with no resistance, and then I do it again. So I do about 10 reps, 8 seconds down, and do this. So this is gonna strengthen and lengthen that muscle. I want you to do this 10 times a day, at least for first 2 weeks. After that, you're gonna feel and see a change. And then after that, you can do it a couple times a day, and then eventually you can do it a couple times a week just to maintain for the rest of your life.
Perfect.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right.